Welcome back to another AppTech Guru tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download the Windows 10 and 11 ISO completely free and 100% legally. Now please hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First of all, open up your web browser and then go into Microsoft.com using the address bar. After you are taken into the Microsoft homepage, scroll all the way down and underneath Microsoft Store, click on Download Center. Now within the Download Center categories, click on Windows. And now if you scroll down, you will see both Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. Click on whichever ISO you wish to download. And this will now take you into the Windows 11 or Windows 10 Installation Assistant page. Now, if you have a flash drive available, you can download the Media Creation Tool, which is an application which will automatically download and flash the Windows 11 disk image onto your USB drive. Alternatively, if you wish to download the disk image manually, then you can use the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Make sure to choose the correct processor type. You can also look for the ARM64 devices version within the given section. Now click on the drop-down menu to choose the available Windows 11 or Windows 10 ISO. Then click on Confirm, and now you can choose your product language. Click on Confirm once again, and now just click on the Download button. This will then begin the download of the disk image of the Windows 11 or Windows 10 ISO file. Now, this may take a while depending upon your internet speed, so just wait until the process is completed, and after this you can flash your USB drive with the disk image file. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Windows 11 or Windows 10 disk image completely for free and 100% legally. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.